In this video, we're going to show you how to install a door mirror glass on your Nissan Murano located on your exterior door mirrors. Now the first step I like to do is I like to use some tape and just put it over the glass. The reason for this here is while you're popping this off, if the glass should break, if it's not broken already, it'll hold that glass together and technically keep it from falling all over the ground. And we'll go ahead and manually move this glass. And there's a round disc behind here that locks this onto the motor itself. So you can get your fingers underneath to go ahead and pop this off. Gloves and safety glasses are very important when doing something like this here. Pop that off. Here's the little ring right here, and it locks onto the motor. Go ahead and grab your new glass. You want to line this up. And then I'm going to apply even pressure with the palm of my hand on the center of the glass. Snap it in. Once it's snapped in, we can now go ahead and adjust the glass. Then once you get that mirror installed, go ahead and give it a quick little spray with some glass cleaner. Go ahead and get that cleaned up. And if you need to, go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.